Hi Bianca.
Hello Bernhard.
I hope you're very well.
Absolutely, hope you too.
Superb. I'm curious, I would like to understand better what the new growth team is doing at Etex Industry.
The new growth team at Etex Industry is looking for new growth opportunities in the market. In that case, we consider market trends and drivers. Examples for topics that we treat are batteries or fuel cells or solar plants and TCP. TCP means temperature controlled packaging. So our goal is to look in the market, this is the first step for these topics, and then in a second step to go into detail, with the team. The next step is to always monitor the prioritization of those topics, and then we do an action plan. And if we treated the topic successfully, the goal is to hand it over to the local sales team and the technical platform. So together we can support the customer.
The topics are very close to the European Green Deal, I am right?
Indeed, you are right. So this fits perfectly to the Green Deal, what we do, some of our topics indeed. So it is all about being climate neutral. So we follow that goal, and an example is the use of green hydrogen in fuel cells, for example. Fuel cells are galvanic cells that have a chemical reaction to produce energy. And our goal is to bring a good solution to the customer, considering fuel cells, to be more efficient.
Oh, excellent. So we're talking about, on one hand, the Green Deal. We're talking about fuel cells. But I'm reading all the time in the press about batteries. What do you do on the topic of batteries?
This is a very good topic because it is becoming more and more important in our times. Do not just think about cell phones or laptops, but also consider the use of batteries in vehicles, for example, like in buses or in scooters. So batteries are everywhere around us, and our goal is to deliver a safe solution to customers considering batteries. And here, we do not just consider the battery itself, but we also think about the storage or the logistics of batteries to make it safe and to deliver a good solution for the customer.
All these topics are currently really important around the world. How do you deal with it?
The key is the cooperation within the teams. So not just consider the new growth team, but the cooperation with the local sales teams and the technical platform. Because together we are able to map the market, to have the overview, to follow our track and to cooperate together to deliver the best solution to the customer.
That's quite interesting. I think for me the takeaway is that the new growth team of Etex Industry is really working on renewable energy topics, and your focus is very much on fuel cells, on batteries. That sounds really interesting, and these new technologies, I hope they will bring us future business.
I think so.